Is it the right moment to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are exploring Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 30th of September, 2024, and we're here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and enable the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.03. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 4.68%. This equates to an average return of 0.59% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $172.81 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately negative 6.65% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 30.92% to negative 1.69%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 19.32% over the coming year, with potential returns between negative 6.45% and 69.28%. This translates to a price range of $153.50 to $277.76 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price declined by approximately 0.164% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of September, 2024. The price decreased from $164.35 to $164.08. Throughout that trading day, the stock exhibited a fluctuation of 1.79%, with a low of $162.18 and a high of $165.08. During this period, the price has experienced ups and downs, leading to a gain of 7.89% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is actually a favorable sign since volume tends to follow price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares, bringing the total to 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.58 billion. Looking back over the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $227.30, while the lowest was $93.12. Currently, the stock price is 27.81%, or $63.22, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is gaining attention as a potential stock to watch. Recently highlighted in the tech sector, AMD is viewed favorably by Wall Street analysts amidst a rebound in non-artificial intelligence markets, with projections suggesting the company is well-positioned to capture a substantial segment of a $135 billion opportunity. This optimism is underscored by a strong year-to-date performance in the Internet infrastructure stocks category, where AMD plays a critical role. Micron's impressive fourth-quarter results have also elevated the outlook for AMD and its peers, indicating a positive momentum that could enhance AMD's stock price in both the short and long term. Although NVIDIA currently dominates the artificial intelligence and data center market, analysts believe that AMD possesses significant growth avenues through artificial intelligence that may drive its potential acceleration in growth, making it a compelling investment choice. Investors are encouraged to consider AMD as a strategic buy, especially with impending events showcasing the company's advancements in artificial intelligence, which could further boost investor confidence. As AMD continues to innovate and compete in the semiconductor space against titans like NVIDIA and Intel, market reactions to these developments could significantly impact AMD's stock performance. Overall, the sentiment around AMD is cautiously optimistic, suggesting strong potential for investor returns in the upcoming months. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, JP Morgan rated AMD as neutral with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Truist Financial also rated AMD with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Oppenheimer provided AMD with a perform rating and a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, Oppenheimer had rated AMD as cautious with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as a sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buying signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $161.28 and $150.12. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and so far, there has been an increase of 3.97%. Continued decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity 4 days ago. The short-term moving average produced a sell signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 109 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $144.48 and $132.54. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level because if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $144.48. If this level is breached, the next support, based on accumulated volume, will be at $132.54 and $132.50. This stock has average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $2.90 between its high and low, representing 1.79%. Over the past week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 2.79%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 91 cents. Be sure to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $171.90. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $144.48. If this support level holds firm, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2024, AMD executed an insider sale of 6,047 shares of RSU Award. On the same day, AMD also conducted an insider purchase of 6,047 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 15th of September, 2024, AMD sold 2,999 shares of common stock. On the 11th of September 2024, Sulisati made an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Sulisati also sold 8,955 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 8.290. In total, insiders purchased 2,104,797 shares and sold 1,768,721 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $156.22, reflecting a decrease of 4.79%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, presenting a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, significantly heightening this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 37 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a declining trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of October, we expect advanced micro devices to open down 0.3 and start trading at $163.78. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.